enums to your model? Well, you go up here, you go to like person, and then there's this thing that says additional class code under advanced. You could just insert these. So this is public enum sex, and this would be male and female. Now, if you need to refer to it, this isn't person because this is sex with respect to person. There could be a deer sex, which is a different ball of wax. And just because you're male person doesn't mean, you may think you're a real buck, but that doesn't mean you're a deer. The same, a deer buck, or a deer, a deer male. And well, we could make other jokes, but this is sex with respect to person. So this would be person.sex. There's ethnicity, and here you can be a member of certain ethnicities. And again, if it's expecting an ethnicity, you have to enter something that's legitimate for one of these. It could be a variable that's one of them, that itself is of the ethnicity or some value. And you could actually have a thing that's like random sex, random ethnicity, or pick out with a certain probability of different ethnicities. You could use a multinomial distribution or whatever. But the point is, this will define it, and then we can use these things. So, okay, that's a good question. Mumble. Public. It's another term that we use. Okay, so this means that anybody who's outside the model can still know about this. Who's outside this class can still know about this. So if main wanted to refer to the sexes like person dot male or person dot female, I think that's the syntax that we use. It could do so. It would know about these two things as they relate to sex. And that might be useful if you want to pass them as parameters, for example. And I think,
so wouldn't it be person.sex in parentheses female?
I actually, so this is a good question. It wouldn't be that, but it might be person.sex.male. Okay, there we go. This is inside it. So this is this sex. It has type. No, so it has initial value, sex.female. Okay, that's its default value. The ethnicity is by default ethnicity.métis, or yes, its default value. And why do we have to specify? Well, yeah, okay. So that's right. And then we could generate a random one, random ethnicity, and here it just goes through and picks an integer from 0 to the number of.
So
yeah.
the
Yeah.
previous slide, and you had like the.
This guy.
Yeah.
This guy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it seems kind of strange.
You're saying, do we need this thing, like ethnicity?
Well, yeah, the way that's set up is it's like it's one of the.
Let's see. Let's go see.
I mean, I don't know. I'm saying the same thing.
No. It's. Let's just check this out. The question is, does it need that qualification, like ethnicity dot whatever? Let's go check it out. So here, let's suppose we said this is its default value is Métis. Okay. Part of the thing to know is, where is this default value used? It's actually used in main. Yeah, see, exactly. So it actually does need this this information here. So it actually does require that. Now,
But I mean, I guess
yeah.
the